Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to upload a video to Facebook. Why would you want to know how to upload a video to Facebook? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to upload a video to Facebook. So today I am going to show you how to upload a video to Facebook. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Uploading a video to Facebook is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will upload a video to Facebook. First of all, open Facebook app in your device, and now here is my Facebook home screen. And then first click on three lines in the right top corner, and now click on your profile icon. Now scroll down this page and click on post. Now click on photo and video, and then select a video from your gallery and then click on post, and your video has been uploaded on Facebook. So there you go. If you are wondering how to upload a video to Facebook, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.